This is going to be the most important thing you heard today. Please take a listen. Probably all year, probably in the last 5 years, maybe ever. So, shit, I ain't trying to toot my own horn, but listen to what I got to say. Magic is real, it is in the power of your words. It's kind of like the same thing when God said, let there be light, or like God said, be, and it is. That's how He created the world. It's like, say, God said something, voice, and then all the world got created. You came from that little spark of voice. So your voice can create things. Your voice can create reality. Your voice can convince somebody of their reality. Your voice can manifest, as we call it now, or talk yourself into some things. So if you are in a bad relationship, that negativity is shaping your reality. So if somebody cheating and one person think they cheating and they have the negative feelings from being cheated on, and then they say, are you cheating on me? And the person lies, like, no, I'm not cheating on you, you tripping, or arguing, whatever. You already have the negativity of feeling like somebody is cheating on you. But then this person is saying, no, that they not cheating. So now your reality, which could have just been, I feel negative because I'm getting cheated on. We break up, boom, which is like the reality, the truth. The truth is real. Instead, they saying that they not cheating, and you kind of forced to believe it, or you want to believe it. And then you are now living in this reality where they saying, are you feeling the negativity because like they gone, whatever, or you know it's something different, but it's not because they cheating. So now you walk around with this negativity, like you feel a little down. That energy is real. That's like magic. This person has concocted magic by telling you something that wasn't true to distort how you feel. So now you think the negativity is coming from somewhere else. Now you just feel negative, right? So you gonna go work less hard or be down on yourself a little more. Now you like, you know what I'm saying? And that might make you cheat or you lie or you do something wrong to the person. Now you don't get them the nice gift, or now you don't cook for them as much, or now you don't, because you got this negativity and you saying it's not, but you not, like, boom, now your whole life is intertwined in this like fake reality. So like you want to chase goals, but you got this negativity on you. So you're not chasing those goals and you feel like, oh, I'm just depressed, like depression. Now you speaking about these other things into existence. You feel me? That's like magic. You know what I'm saying? Like if somebody want to scam you, you know, like turn 100 into 1,000 like we used to do back in the day, or get a phone and cancel the line right quick, or cash a bold check. If the shit wrong and they know it's gonna fuck you up, they telling you with their words like, no, you can cash this bogus check and it's going to be okay. You're going to, that's like the reality is if you cash a bogus check, you might get the money, but it's gonna bounce and your credit gonna be fucked up or your account gonna be fucked up later. That's the truth. But in the instance where I talk it up and make you believe it, that is performing magic. We think magic is like the Sorcerer's Stone and Harry Potter and wand wizardry and shit. But if you notice in the movies, like spells are cast by talking, and I was making things move. So if I can be a pimp and talk women into selling their bodies to make money for me, that's like me saying when Guardian Leviosa lifting some shit up. You know what I'm saying? If a record label can tell you we gonna get you lit, but we gonna get you 1% of what you make, but you still gonna be lit. As dumb as that sound, when they saucing that up for you and telling you that is conducting magic, you know what I'm saying? Whereas on the positive side, if you believe making $1 million is easy and you talk it up like, boom, I can do this, that. Like right now, you probably got a regular job. You could probably have a better job. You could probably get a second job. You could probably start a business. You could probably save your money. You could probably enhance your credit and then use your credit to take out a loan or whatever. You believe in those things. Let's say you find a person, a partner that helps you, encourages you, like, man, let's go to the gym. That shit easy, babe. Like we can just get up and go to the gym. And then Say you thought going to the gym was hard, but now you got this person talking it up like it's easy. Now y'all both going to the gym and y'all saying it's easy. Now y'all both saving money. Now y'all both establishing credit and y'all say it's easy. Like now you live in a world where doing productive, positive, enhancement things are easy to you. That's magical as well. Cause now when you walk around and you like a successful motherfucker and just looking like the shit easy, like, you know, like some people that we see, you feel me? Like it's because they have worked into it, bought into it, believed it, and now doing it. And it's really like that. Like the reality of a successful person looks like magic. You feel me? Because it is. They are using their power, their words to create magic. If you spending your life using words to justify like, oh, I don't need to smoke. I have a natural high, but I just do it to make it better. You creating little lies here, little lies there. Now you living in the reality that you don't even understand because it's so oh, I'm not a cheater. I'm not a bad person, but I cheat and I'm X, Y. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Christian, but I still do all this bullshit. I'm a Muslim, but I still do all this bullshit. If you toxifying your reality with these mismatched things, you using your magic to, you feel me? Like, oh, I'm lazy, but I'm going to cry to God about why my life isn't working. You know you lazy. You know crying to God is not finna just magically whisk you into productivity, you feel me? But now you depressed because I'm lazy with God not helping me not be lazy and I'm tired. You saying those things, you feel me? Nutshell, podcast coming soon. Just like pre-episode. Hope you made it to this part. I appreciate it. Do some magic and make your life better.